Ang sabon na ito is premium tallow with milky turmeric. Ayan guys, available na sa ating website and mabibili nyo yung 12 pieces for only 99 cents. Paano maka-avail ang 99 cents guys? Buy 12 pieces for regular price and you can get another 12 pieces for only 99 cents. Okay guys, ayan, tallow with milky turmeric. Maganda sa ating mga dry skin. So ayan guys, mabibili nyo na sa murang halaga.